Grinding wheel is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of abrasive materials to remove excess material from a workpiece. This process is used to shape and finish various materials such as metals, plastics, and ceramics. The grinding wheel is a tool that consists of abrasive particles bonded together to form a wheel. The wheel rotates at high speeds and is used to remove material from the workpiece by friction and cutting action. The grinding wheel service is essential in the manufacturing industry as it helps to achieve precision and accuracy in the production process. The service is used in various applications such as surface grinding, cylindrical grinding, and centerless grinding. Surface grinding is used to produce a smooth finish on flat surfaces, while cylindrical grinding is used to produce a cylindrical shape on a workpiece. Centerless grinding is used to produce a precise roundness on a workpiece. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom-designed machinery and equipment for various industries. The company offers a wide range of services, including grinding wheel services. Berkness Company has a team of experienced professionals who are skilled in the use of grinding wheel technology to produce high-quality products. The company uses state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to ensure that their clients receive the best possible service. If you are interested in learning more about the grinding wheel service offered by Berkness Company, you can visit their Contact Us page on their website. The page provides various ways to get in touch with the company, including phone, email, and a contact form. You can also visit their website to learn more about their services and products. Berkness Company is committed to providing their clients with the best possible service and is always ready to answer any questions you may have. FAQs. 1. What are the different types of grinding wheels available for manufacturing purposes? Answer. There are various types of grinding wheels available for manufacturing purposes, including straight wheels, cylinder wheels, tapered wheels, dish wheels, and diamond wheels. Each type of wheel is designed for specific applications and materials. 2. How do I choose the right grinding wheel for my manufacturing process? Answer. The choice of grinding wheel depends on several factors, including the material being ground, the surface finish required, the hardness of the material, and the type of grinding machine being used. It is important to consult with a grinding wheel supplier or manufacturer to determine the best wheel for your specific application. 3. What are some common safety precautions when using grinding wheels in manufacturing? Answer. Some common safety precautions when using grinding wheels in manufacturing include wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, such as eye protection and gloves, ensuring the grinding machine is properly maintained and adjusted, and following proper grinding techniques and procedures. It is also important to regularly inspect grinding wheels for damage or wear and replace them as needed. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.